how much do you really want to succeed in life? Remember, there are countless of people who succeed. It is not impossible for you, no matter how low you are in the bottom of the pyramid. I've seen many who have gone up.
Patuloy tayong magtulungan upang mapalago muli ang agrikultura sa ating bansa to bring back the glory days of our agriculture.
There is a necessity to really combine all those players together. The government, the academia, the business sector, and the farmers as one ecosystem that is going to bring growth in agriculture.
Nagawa na nila and pwede rin natin gawin. And we are trying to hopefully replicate this kind of mindset, not exactly the same model, but at least it will give us an idea that these models really exist and can really make a difference.
So I'm really very happy because of this new administration. Imagine now they have micro, before it's only small, medium entrepreneur, but now they have micro, small, medium entrepreneur to support us talking about economy.
Our farmers are micro entrepreneurs, every single farmer. Whether you're a rich hacendero from Negros or a tenant farmer farming land. Technology is not the only thing that they should know. They should know all managerial skills, all entrepreneurial skills, and these are the things that we help guide them.
Let them become farmer entrepreneurs. Kailangan nila maging competitive.
We also build schools kasi madalas walang school doon. Because education is very important. They have to be educated.
Alam mo, magsasaka ng ng nagtatanim, umaani para para mapakain sa atin. Ngayon naman sila pang di ba? Wala makakain kaya ganun ginagawa natin diyan. Kaya yun ang sinasabi, balik biyaya.
At ngayon is more on agriculture and nag-develop kami ng mga initiative para yung mga farmers natin na hindi kumikita is kumita na ngayon.
We need a synergy. We need a really healthy ecosystem to innovate. And each sector has its own contribution, important role to play.
Yung mga karatig naming mga barangay doon sa farm, they get a certain percentage of every guest that we have. So para naman magamit nila for their development ng kanilang mga barangays.
Alam niyo po, ang napansin ko lang po ngayon, ang My Farm ay status symbol na.
Kung yung dating plan ko na personal lang yung negosyo, now it has grown to be a lot bigger than myself.
I have fallen in love with farming. No, at sabi ko nga po, wala rin yan sa edad. Kahit na teenager ka pa lang o kahit na nag-retire ka na, it's never too early nor too late to fall in love with farming.
So i-balance natin yung passion together with a very strong business acumen.
Yung gusto ko emphasize dito, alam mo, maski anong negosyo pasukan mo, kailangan pag-aralan mo from zero.
Isa puso nila yung kanilang business. Let's be aggressive. Don't be afraid to fail kasi talagang kasama yon.
There's really lots of trial and error. Ang kagandahan lang na yan, kasi I learned it the hard way, that there are other people that can help you.
At hindi nyo lang nakikita yung pawis, yung hirap, ilang beses kami nag-fail. Ang importante is every time you fall down, you have to get up.